1. Hook thinking like a cloud architect can be the difference between a successful deployment and a costly failure. Want to know how to master this mindset? Stick around, and I'll give you the tools you need to think like a pro. This leads to inefficiencies, increased costs, and system failures. The cloud is complex, and without a structured approach, you risk misconfigurations and wasted resources. Let's tackle this head-on. 3. The simple explanation at its core. Thinking like a cloud architect means understanding how to design scalable, reliable, and cost-effective systems in the cloud. It involves assessing requirements before jumping into solutions, choosing the right services based on needs, not just trends, designing for failure and ensuring your systems can handle outages. Always considering cost and performance trade-offs. This mindset will guide your decisions and help you build robust cloud solutions. 4. Real-world example. Let's look at a real-world scenario. A startup I worked with, Tech Innovations, launched a new product. They opted for a popular cloud service without a clear architecture plan. Initially, they chose AWS Lambda for their backend, believing it was cost-effective. They had an expected traffic of about 1,000 requests per minute. However, as the product gained traction, they hit 5,000 requests per minute in just a few weeks. They hadn't planned for scaling. The Lambda functions started timing out due to insufficient concurrent executions, leading to failed requests and a bad user experience. To fix the issue, they scrambled to increase concurrent executions and adjust resource limits, but it took time. Their initial costs were low, but they ended up spending 150% more on compute resources and experienced a 20% drop in user retention during the outage. 5. What to do instead to avoid situations like Tech Innovations faced. Follow this structured framework. Step 1. Define your requirements. Identify user needs. What are your users expecting? Define clear metrics for success. Estimate traffic. Predict your initial load but also plan for growth. Use a multiplier, like 3x your expected traffic. Step 2. Choose the right services. Evaluate options. Don't just go for the most popular solutions. Compare cost, performance, and support. Select the right instance types. For example, choose an EC2 instance type that matches your expected load. A T3. Medium may suffice for low traffic, but consider an M5. Large when planning for growth. Step 3. Design for scalability. Implement auto-scaling. Set scaling policies based on CPU and memory usage. For instance, scale out when CPU usage exceeds 70%. Use load balancers. Distribute incoming traffic effectively. Configure health checks to remove unhealthy instances. Step 4. Plan for reliability, data redundancy. Use multi-OS deployments for databases. This ensures availability in case of an outage. Failover strategies. Design systems that can switch to backup services automatically. Step 5. Monitor costs. Set budgets and alerts. Use tools like AWS Budgets. Set alerts for when spending exceeds 80% of your budget. Review usage regularly. Analyze your spending monthly to identify waste. 6. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Ignoring requirements. Many jump into implementation without clear requirements. Fix. Always start with user stories and define success metrics. Mistake 2. Underestimating traffic. Assuming low traffic will continue can cripple your app. Fix. Use conservative estimates and prepare for unexpected spikes. Mistake 3. Overlooking security. New engineers often neglect security measures. Fix. Implement IAM roles and security groups from the start. Regularly review permissions. Mistake 4. Not automating deployments. Manual deployments lead to errors and inconsistency. Fix. Use C/CD tools like Jenkins or GitHub Actions to automate your deployments. Mistake 5. Failing to monitor. Without monitoring, you can miss performance issues. Fix. Integrate monitoring tools, like CloudWatch or Prometheus, to keep an eye on system health. 7. Quick checklist before you start on your next project. Ensure you have clear user requirements, traffic estimates with growth potential, appropriate service selections, scalability and reliability designs, cost monitoring and budgeting in place. 8. Summary plus CTA. Thinking like a cloud architect isn't just about knowing the tools, It's about having a structured approach to design, build, and maintain your cloud systems. Avoid common pitfalls by planning for success. If you found this video helpful, comment with your thoughts and subscribe for more insights on cloud engineering. Let's keep learning together. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.